Hello, this is NAVIFORCE Watch Unboxing Review Studio. Let's have a look at what I have bring you today. First of all, we can see there is a guarantee card of our NAVIFORCE, and then this is an instruction manual book to teach you how to set all the functions about the models. And then here is the watch I will show you today. Okay, let's have a look at the screen on here to see the data about this model. This model number is NF9165. As we can see, there is a multifunctional chronographic watch. And here we can see there are three windows about the functions. Let me introduce to you. The upper window here is the 1/10 seconds chronographic stopwatch, and here is the second window, and the window at 9 o'clock position here is the mini window, and this button is for starting the stopwatch. Let me show you. Okay, now these two windows it's working. When you want to stop it. Just press this button, and this button is to reset all the numbers. Okay, then these two windows go to the original. And as we can see, there are three buttons. These two upper and lower button is to adjust these two windows, and this bigger one is our crown. The crown is to setting the time, and setting these two windows is for the date. Later, if you want to know how to set the date window, I will have another video to teach you. There are two steps to counterclockwise to adjust the window here, and both two windows you can select one. This 2 o'clock position is the day to day, or choose this 4 o'clock position, the 27. There are two windows you can choose for the date for today. And also we can see the color. There's a very beautiful and very nice blue color. On the back side we can see there is a stainless steel rope goes around the back side, and the color is the color contrast to the back side. It's a very nice color contrast. And the case we use is the polythene case. There are two layers to made of this case, and this part it's rose gold color, and the bezel part it's the blue color. And then the watch band we use is the stainless steel material. As we can see, they're very nice. The fine polished steel band. It's dazzling the color, very nice. And here it's our logo on the buckle. And this is a two folding buckle. Open the first step, and then press these two small buttons to open the buckle. Okay, let's try this watch. I want to wear it on my wrist. Okay, this is the watch on my wrist. How do you think it? How do you think about it? Okay, actually, this model we have 5 colors. Let me show you. Hello, welcome back. Here are the all 5 colors. And just now I've shown you this blue one. Do you like this blue one? And then I will show you it's this coffee one. The coffee color is also used the same 2 double layer case, and this lower part case is the same color rose gold. Combine the coffee color bezel, and also the texture color on the dial is also the coffee one. And 3 windows we use is the white color to contrast to the coffee color. And here it's very easy and very clear to see the window. And here it's the second, and here is the minute, and here is the 1/10 seconds window. Okay, so let's see the sign and the buttons design. Also we can clear to see the logo and on the crown. Also the crown is the same color as the bezel, it's coffee color. Let's have a look at the watch band. The watch band is also coffee color. Here is the back case about this model. Okay, the next color is the gold color. The gold color is also really nice and it's a very amazing color. Also the 3 small windows use the white color, and all other parts is the golden color. I would like to say this is a rich color. Yes, very nice. Not only the bezel, the low case, the crown and buttons, and the watch band are all very fashion golden color. Do you like this color? Okay, the next one. The next one I will introduce is this black one. Okay, this black color is also combined, use the combination of the black and the rose gold color. And also we can see the steel rope around the bezel is also the rose gold color. And 3 small windows also use the same series color rose gold. And the watch band is a very steady black color. Okay, this is this model NF9165. Okay, I will try this one on my wrist because I think the black one is very easy to match clothes. It's very fashion color, and most of people will like this color. Okay, the last one is the silver one, and also the silver one the most of people will love because it's a very simple design, only black and white color. It's a very nice color. The crown is black. The dial is white texture, and the three windows are black color. Okay, that's all for today. If you want to see others model, real watch and review, just let me know. This is all for today. See you next time. Bye.